Well, the big question that we don't know is we've seen the lawsuit and we've read the complaint. The complaint is the document which is filed by Leonard's attorneys, arguing that Nike is infringing upon their marks, and also arguing that Nike took something that was created by Leonard and tried to pin it off a copyrighted at his own. And if you read the about 12-page complaint and you accept all of those facts as true, this looks like an easy slam dunk for Leonard. But all we have right now is the arguments from the standpoint of Leonard's attorneys. And in a 30-day period, Nike will have the opportunity to file something known as the answer, which simplified will be Nike's version of the story. The big piece of information that we don't have, and we won't have it now, and we won't have it in 30 days either, is what was the language contained in this 2011 agreement between Nike and Leonard. If we accept the basis of these facts as true, there was a drawing that we have to presume Leonard created. And there was some agreement between Leonard and Nike that gave Nike certain rights to use that drawing, at least in conjunction with this agreement. But we have no idea, based on anything written in the complaint filed by Leonard's attorneys, what is specifically stated in the agreement between the two, and whether that would give Nike any continuing rights to this logo, or whether Nike simply just infringed in both copyright and trademarks.
Why would I'll ask a very basic question. Why would Nike do this? I mean, it seemed, the relationship, again, he's moved on to new brand, and you're right. We need to hear Nike's argument here. But it seems to me as if, an agreement that was in place for that long, and again, we don't know this, but at this juncture, it doesn't appear as if there were a lot of flashpoints surrounding the logo up until now. Why would Nike do this? It wouldn't be just petulance on the part of the company because Leonard went to New Balance, would it?
Well, first, we do not know what's in the agreement, and that's important. I have to cast aside, we have two different conversations here. The issue of the public relations of what Nike has done and the legal issue. As far as the legal issue, we have to reserve some judgment until we see what's in the agreement between Leonard and Nike. And perhaps Leonard's attorneys gave greater rights to Nike than Leonard knows or Leonard's attorneys care to admit back in 2011. Mind you, at that time, Leonard was a rookie in the league, and he was not a top 3 or 4 draft pick, and Nike might have been able to obtain very broad rights to work that Leonard made. But leaving that aside, you make a great point, Jeff. From the public relations perspective, no matter what comes out in this legal case, this is a loss for Nike.